Hello viewers, welcome to aonestu. The most talked about site of the time is Adobe Firefly. Is one of the most powerful image-based artificial intelligence. From here you can choose from any text to photo, to convert general photos to professional photos, and you can get any style of text effect. So let's take a look at things. First we'll look at text effects. From here you can create different types of text effects. I'm selecting a text effect. Here I can use words or characters as I want. For example, I change the text Firefly to great. I can customize it to my liking. I can select the prompt as I want. Now if you like the effect, click on the download button to download the image file. See how an eye can perfectly create text effects. Now we'll see the feature of creating images from text. Here we can convert our imagination into images through text. First, I select a template. Here you can give it any commands you want. Now if you click on generate, you will see that AI is creating such images as per the text. You can change the image size and orientation as per your wish. You can change the content type as needed. I type another new command or prompt and click generate. See, it has created the image as per my text. Finally, we will look at the features of generative fill AI. Here you can remove and change the background of the image by uploading the image of your choice. It can create different backgrounds according to our commands. Also with this tool, we can easily add any object to photo background. Also, through this tool, you can change the clothes of the photo. Through this, the image can be given a professional look in various ways, and you would download the photo easily. In today's video, I have shown you how to easily create professional quality photo by giving your imagination a reality with Adobe Firefly.